Welcome to our guide on navigating child support in Louisiana. In this video, we will address the key questions about child support, outline the steps to obtain child support, and discuss other legal issues related to child support. Child support is money that one or both parents pay to help take care of their child. This money goes towards things like food, clothes, a place to live, doctor visits, and school costs. It's meant to make sure the child has what they need, no matter if the parents are together or not. The parent with physical custody, also known as the custodial parent or primary caretaker, can receive child support for the child's financial needs. This includes parents who are unmarried or divorced. Sometimes, other relatives, like grandparents, who have legal custody can also receive child support. Typically, the parent without custody, referred to as the non-custodial parent, is responsible for making child support payments to the custodial parent. Child support is calculated based on what the parent earns, the number of children, how much time the children spend with the parent, and the costs of health care and child care. The aim is to decide on an amount that's fair, covers the child's needs, and matches what the parent can afford. In Louisiana, the Department of Children and Family Services, DCFS, oversees child support. If you're a custodial parent needing assistance, then you should check out the DCFS website. It's a one-stop resource for everything related to child support, including applying for services, requesting payments, or tracking the case's progress. This makes it easier to manage your child support needs and ensures you have access to the right information and tools to support your child. Next, we'll guide you through the general steps to request child support. First, determine if you are eligible to get child support. You're eligible for child support if you're the primary caregiver of a child and the other parent is not living with you and sharing the cost of raising the child. This applies to both parents regardless of their marital status at the child's birth. If you have legal custody of the child, either through a court order or an informal arrangement where the child primarily lives with you, you may be eligible for child support from the other parent. Second, gather important information to open a child support case. This includes the full legal name and address of the non-custodial parent, their date of birth and physical description, and Social Security. You should also have birth certificates and Social Security cards of each child, a copy of any marriage licenses or divorce agreements, the name and addresses of the non-custodial parent's recent employer and friends and relatives, and any information about the non-custodial parent's income. Third, apply for services with DCFS Child Support Enforcement. You can apply for Louisiana Child Support Enforcement Services online or by mail. You will need to provide the information and documentation mentioned previously. There is a $25 application fee if you do not receive public assistance services. Once your application is received, you will be contacted by a caseworker. Next, the Office of Family Support will provide a court date for an initial hearing. Make sure you attend the initial hearing to discuss the proposed child support order. Make sure you attend all hearings on time and be prepared to answer any questions the judge may have. The court will determine the amount of child support to be paid. After all hearings have been completed, the judge will issue the final order. This will include the amount of child support due, the frequency of payments, and other relevant information. The Office of Family Support will set up payment plans and collect payments from the other parent. The Office of Family Support will distribute payments to the parent with primary custody. Finally, let's explore some other legal issues related to child support. It's important to understand the tax implications of child support to ensure compliance with the law. The parent receiving child support does not need to pay federal tax on the payments. However, the parent paying child support cannot deduct these expenses to calculate taxes. Other legal issues might include modifying child support, enforcing child support payments, understanding child support in custody, and determining whether an unemployed parent may need to pay child support. For more information about these legal issues, you may check out our website at louisianalawhelp.org. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided you with valuable information on child support in Louisiana.